Hello everyone, today I'll be introducing you to this used Moreschi piano accordion. It has compact keys, so it's a great beginner instrument. On the treble side we have 41 keys and 2 registers. It has 2 sets of reeds, one low and one middle. On the bass or left hand side we have 120 buttons and 4 sets of reeds. And left hand side.